Well, this video is going to be completely different because I know many of you guys out there have started watching us, the YouTube finance community, to help you escape the endless rat race you're trapped in, the endless work, sleep, back to work routine that you're in, or escape that sinking feeling that you won't have more in your life, or that you will never be able to provide for your family like they truly deserve to be provided for. Or you're just tired of getting screwed by Wall Street or the government, or really getting screwed by both, and you want to take control, so you turn to us. But the truth is, our YouTube community has screwed you too, and that includes me. Now I believe most, and I know it's not all, but I truly believe that most are not screwing you on purpose, and not all content being put out is bad, and a lot of it is actually really helpful. But the reality is, we have still failed you, and that includes me, and I'm honestly truly sorry. So what I'm going to attempt to do with this video is to show you the two roads you have before you right now today, and show you why you don't need me or any other YouTubers out there to put yourself on the right road and reap the rewards of that road. Now I know many of you will make that choice to get on the right road, and that actually means less views, less group members, less of everything for me. But I honestly don't care. The goal from the beginning of this channel was to help you achieve financial freedom. That's it. But that only happens if you make the correct choice out of the two roads you can choose from, and that's what I want to help you find. One road is well-worn, safe, well-lit, and everybody else is on it. That is the road you are currently on, and why you turn to us, the YouTube community, to help you get on the other road and kind of shine a light on it because it seems dark and dangerous, but you know that is where you need to go because that is where financial freedom lies. The problem is, we kind of steered you right back onto the first road. So now, not only are you in the rat race spinning your wheels at work, but you are also spinning your wheels and in the rat race with your investments as well. Instead of buying great long-term stocks and just holding, you're trying to buy the next 10x stock or buying the dip. Or you're diamond handing one day, selling and buying options the next day, and then diamond handing again before YOLOing into the next 10x stock, and then dumping that 10x stock for the 5 best stocks to buy now, and the cycle kind of keeps going. And because of the crazy run in the stock market last year, it appeared like you were on the dark and mysterious road to financial freedom, but the reality is you were actually on the same road all along, just a different section of the road that you had not been on before, so it looked different. It not only fooled you, it fooled many of us as well. So let's get you on the right road to financial freedom, which is why most of you started tuning into the finance YouTube space in the first place. So what does that road look like? Well, you were on that road when you were buying great stocks at a fair valuation. You don't need to buy the dip. You need to buy great companies at a fair valuation or when it's undervalued. Buying the dip is useless if the stock is overvalued, and it's even more useless if it's just the latest flavor of the month stock that's part of the best 10 stocks to buy that month. By the end of the year, you'll have like 120 different stocks or something like that, and that's crazy and completely unmanageable for a pro, much less someone who has only been investing for a couple of years at best. And these next 2 points are really going to kill my views because I don't even really discuss them here on YouTube at all, but they're essential to be on the road for financial freedom. Did you know real estate is part of the road to financial freedom? Did you realize that if you have a roof over your head, you are playing in the real estate game even if you don't want to? That means you need to spend some time learning about that because an unknowing participant in anything is the one who gets screwed. You got a roof over your head that you're paying for, even if it's just a little bit of rent? You are playing the real estate game, my friend, even if you don't know it. But wait, there's more to financial freedom than just this. Do you have complete control of your money? Do you find yourself wanting to buy bargains, but not having cash to buy or not having as much cash as you need to buy an opportunity? And I know some of you guys are day trading or swing trading just to build capital. But did you know that you can create a money loop to do that for you? And there are entire communities right here on YouTube that are dedicated to helping you master your money so you can buy great stocks at great prices, eliminate debt quickly, and even have your money make you more money. Seriously, dive into them. They are life-changing to say the least. All of these components, your stocks, your real estate, and money, all of which we are all involved with, even if we don't want to be, are all vital to keeping you on the road to financial freedom. So do you need my group or any other group or a course or anything else to do this? Nope, not at all. We live in the greatest time in the history of the world to achieve financial freedom. It's never been easier than it is right now, and there has never been access to more life-changing information for free than there is right now. So my challenge to you is this: put in the work and take advantage of this and get on the road to financial freedom. I'm going to do my best to try to help you on this journey and provide you as much value as possible. Stop looking for shortcuts or hacks or secret formulas or anything else. You're going to find them, especially here on YouTube, but it's all fool's gold in the end. Nothing actually replaces putting in the work. So get on the right road because your financial freedom depends on it.